There's a kind of spending that feels like relief, not happiness. Relief. It happens after a hard day, after a fight, after a scary message, after you feel behind in life. You don't buy because you want the thing. You buy because you want to feel better now. Let's call him Kofi. Kofi is not a big spender. He's actually disciplined in many ways. But he has one pattern he doesn't see. When stress rises, he starts reaching for something he can control. And buying is control. He'll scroll. He'll add things to a cart. Not expensive things, just things that feel like a small fix. A new item for the house, a random gadget, a self-care product. A this will make life easier purchase. And for a moment, it works. His mind gets quiet. Because the brain loves a quick solution. Click, confirm, done. It feels like progress. Then the package arrives, and the emotion is gone. The stress is still there. And now he has something else, regret. He looks at the item and thinks, why did I even buy this? And that question hurts because the answer isn't logical. The answer is emotional. This is the panic purchase. It's not a money problem. It's a nervous system problem. When your brain feels unsafe, it looks for fast relief. And spending is one of the fastest forms of relief because it gives you a short moment of certainty. But it's a fake certainty. It doesn't solve the real pressure. It just distracts you long enough to breathe. Now here's the contrast. Most people fight panic spending by saying, I need more discipline. So they tighten up. They shame themselves. They make strict rules they can't keep. And when the next stressful day hits, the rules collapse. Because shame doesn't calm you, it triggers you. Stable people do something different. They don't try to out-discipline stress. They interrupt the moment stress is using to control them. Because panic spending has a window, a small window where the urge feels urgent. Then it fades. Not because you became strong, because the wave passed. So here is the simple money rule. Never buy in the same emotional hour. Put it on a list and sleep on it. Not because you're weak, because stress lies about urgency. Kofi tried this. He didn't say, I'll never buy anything again. He just delayed. He made a note called, not today. And every time he felt that urge, he put the item there. No guilt, no argument, just a delay. And the first time he woke up the next day, looked at the list, and felt nothing. Something changed in him. He realized the purchase wasn't a desire, it was an escape. That's the emotional shift. When you stop buying to calm yourself, you start learning how to calm yourself without paying. And that is freedom, because now stress can't use your money as a doorway. If this shifted something for you, subscribe. This channel is for people who are done living in that loop. If this hit you, the next video is about the future me will fix it lie. And it's worse than people think.